Hi guys, it's me Jacqueline, and today's video, I'm actually going to school. It's Wednesday, early day, yay! At 2 o'clock, at 2:59 we leave actually. So I'm gonna do this morning vlog, and then in the afternoon at 2:59 I am going to, you guys know, after school's done, then I'll start doing my vlogs again. But to tell you guys, I actually kind of like school, but some of my subjects are driving me crazy. But let's see, my sister's awake. And she is! Look at that little precious baby. Hi. Say hi. Oh, she's too shy on camera. Well, I got my smoothie. It's a protein shake, so you don't. I don't like normal shakes in the morning. I only like the protein ones. And I'm in the car, my Mustang. So yeah, I'm at my house right now, but I go like in school like at 9 something. But I actually like getting there early, like at 8 something, and I'm 9 sometimes, but I hate being late. If I go late my third time, I'll get detention. So yeah, I actually fell yesterday. That's why I'm wearing this thing. It's like a glove for winter, but normally it hurts kind of my hand where I fell. I don't want guys to show you because it would be disgusting. So yeah. Yeah, I don't know what to talk about. Oh, yeah, this is not pierced, actually. It's not pierced. This is just like a clipper. It kind of hurts. I'm taking it to school to show my friends. It kind of hurts, but yeah. I like this song still. It's yours. Let me see what 101.9. But I still love this song. This is not my songs, this is the radio's. I don't make the songs. Please tell me, just I don't make the songs. Oh. I don't think we met like, I didn't tell you what guys I like, anything like that in my first video, so I'm gonna do it today. I go to school, let's say P. I can't say my name in YouTube because then they'll find me, anything. So I'm 12 years old. Actually, I'm 13 because my mom told me I can do that. I'm kidding. I'm 12. But it doesn't matter in my age. My mom checks my videos, yeah. So yeah, I go to middle school, and I'm my age, and I live near kind of my school. I'm not allowed to tell you my address, but you guys know. So yeah, please subscribe and like this video. I'm not gonna finish it right now, but after school I might start again my vlog. I'm gonna stay at FCA. I'm gonna take video to show you guys what I do and all that stuff. Yeah, but it was fun. But after school I have FCA, middle school. I might be allowed to take video, but I don't know. You guys heard that? Say it again, Mama. Hey, she just burped. Say it again. Say hi. Hi. She's so shy of the camera for some reason. You got hi. Say hi. Actually, guys, I'm sorry. I'm not allowed to do the eater. I'm not allowed to do the eater award challenge because my mom and my dad hates it, but I don't know. We might do the whisper challenge. We don't know, on Saturday or Sunday. Or maybe this Friday. We don't know. Okay, Sophie, say bye. Say bye. Bye-bye. Alright, guys, so yeah, gotta go. Peace. Remember, subscribe, like this video, please. I have no subscribers. I subscribed to my friend. Her YouTube account is Fabulous BB Gun. You guys should check it out. Subscribe to her, like her videos. Yeah, because she did a collab with me. Yeah, the other day, I think. Yeah, yesterday. You guys should check out her video. Subscribe, like. Thanks. Peace.